Digging into MapleStory's game files and ran into a bunch of WZ archives? These are the backbone of the game's entire content system. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to explore and work with these MapleStory data packages. From my years in support, there is an advanced proprietary solution I use when all other methods fail to open a WZ file. Here's a sneak peek. WZ files are proprietary game data archive files used by MapleStory, the popular side-scrolling MMORPG developed by Nexon. They contain bundled game assets, including sprite images, animations, sound effects, map data, item definitions, NPC scripts, and UI elements used by the game client. WZ files are proprietary game data archive files used by MapleStory, the popular side-scrolling MMORPG developed by Nexon. They contain bundled game assets including sprite images, animations, sound effects, map data, item definitions, NPC scripts, and UI elements used by the game client. The ideal software for creation and opening of WZ is MapleStory from Nexon. The extraction process relies on algorithms not included in the Windows operating system. Windows gives only surface-level information, so detailed access requires specialized game-related software. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your WZ file and select Open With. Test MapleStory if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application conflicts. If the WZ file won't budge, stay calm. The best fixes start with understanding the problem. Before we move to the universal tool, here are the technical culprits behind the file failure. First, install a WZ File Explorer. Download and install Repack or WZ Explorer tools designed specifically for reading MapleStory WZ files. These community-developed utilities can parse the proprietary archive format and display the internal node tree structure for browsing all contained game assets. Next, browse game assets. Open the desired WZ file such as character.wz map.wz or sound.wz in Repack. Navigate the tree structure to locate specific sprites maps, audio clips, or data entries. Preview images and sounds directly within the tool and export individual assets as PNG or MP3 files. Finally, edit and repack files. For modding purposes, edit property values or replace image and sound nodes within Repack, then save the modified WZ file. Always back up original files before editing. Note that modifying game files may violate MapleStory terms of service and trigger anti-cheat detection systems. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.